I found this Porsche here, and it's parked at a Land Rover. And since Porsche has always been one of my dream cars since I was a little kid, so let's have a quick look at this. It's a 2016 black edition. It says, let's see the mileage, 50,000 miles. How much is it? Can you see it? I can't see how much it is. It doesn't say. You have to use your phone and scan the QR code to get the price. I'm not gonna go do that now. I'll do that at home. Just gonna walk around real quick and head out. But thought I would share this beautiful Porsche here. The spoiler is out, makes it look good, and the 911 is still a dream car for me. I still like them a lot, and I think maybe one day I'll own one myself. We'll see. You never know what's gonna come. Here we go in there. See the interior. Yeah, beautiful machine. So 2016. All right, I thought I would share this one as well, and have a good evening.